Hi friends, this project name is Smart Hiking Band. This is a wearable device. This is used to improve the safety and health monitoring of people during hiking or trekking. While hiking in mountains, it is important to track hikers' health conditions and location. The Smart Hiking Band collects important data such as heart rate and SpO2, body movement, GPS location, everything it will collect data. This data will send to the where we are monitoring the system there in real time. There it will send the data, and in this we are using ML part. Now see working of the project. This is whole system by using Wi-Fi. It will work. When we on the Wi-Fi at the time, it will send the data to ML part. Here we are using ESP32. Here we are using SpO2, accelerometer and OLED. Here we are using push button, and this is GPS tracker. Here we are giving the power supply. When we on the power supply, on that time we will get the supply to the system, and we need to on the hotspot on mobile. Then it will send the data automatically. See here, by using accelerometer we will predict the fall happen or not. And here SpO2 is there. This will measure heart rate and oxygen levels. See here we are displaying SpO2, heart rate and accelerometer, and here we display longitude also. See here, when we are keeping our hand, it will measure the SpO2 and heart rate. Here this is accelerometer. This will measure the fall detection happened or not, it will detect. And here SpO2. Here we place the hand, means we will get the readings of SpO2 and heart rate. See, if in case low SpO2 or heart rate, means it will show alerts and OLED. See here we are getting readings SpO2 and here showing low SpO2 alert. This data will send to the Blink and ML part. In Blink we will get the notifications. See here, like this we will get the notification, and we will get the location also. See here, we will see the readings by using Blink app, SpO2 and heart rate. Like this we will see the people condition. See here we are using web dashboard. This is home page, and here this is about. Here we will see the sensor integration and intelligence, everything here we will see. And now we see the prediction. Start system. See here we will get the readings. If in case abnormal condition, means it will show abnormal, otherwise normal, like that it will show.